Hello everyone, this is Chris Morris, and we're going to be going over advanced training lesson 12. And this lesson we're going to be editing, running, and deleting a real-time report. So we'll talk about what the purpose of a real-time report is, talk about how to edit a real-time report, how to run one instantly, and how to delete a real-time report. Purpose of a real-time report is to provide a way to view report data in a panel. So this gives you more graphical representation of data, as well as removing the processing time of trying to create that same report or with formulas inside of a virtual panel. So essentially you can have this report running every so many minutes. You can show it in a panel or refresh this one when it's needed. Go ahead and get on over here into VT3000 on your home page. Go ahead and open up your VersaCall reporting software. And from here, we're going to go up here to options. We're going to hit real-time reports. And our real-time reports are going to show up right here. First thing we want to do is edit one. So just go in here and select our edit icon, which looks like a little pencil in the circle. Click on that. So it's going to give you the chance to change the name, change the offset, weeks, months. You can change the dates. So go back like 5 days ago. Go ahead and hit next. This is basically we're running it every hour at 10 minutes past the hour. You can add another time slot if you want to run it more, or change this one to only every 15 minutes. And what that'll be, these are the only two options, and just hit save and exit. Now you'll see it's here. All the changes you just made are there. If you need to, for whatever reason, refresh that report on that panel right now, instead of waiting until 15 minutes after the hour, you can always come in here and click on the run button, which just looks like the play button. Click that. It'll run. And then it'll come up here and tell you real-time report is run successfully. So now on your panel, next time it refreshes, it'll have this new data in it. Last thing we were looking at is how to remove a real-time report. So every report here, let's say we want to get rid of this downtime chart. We would come over here, select our remove button or delete button, which is just a circle with an X in it. So we click on that. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to delete this real-time report. Select OK. You get a message that says that the real-time report was deleted and no longer shows up here on your list. That concludes a lesson on how to edit, run, and delete real-time reports. Come back over here. So in the summary, we went over the purpose of a real-time report, show that data graphically, minimize processor time so it doesn't have to try to calculate everything inside the panel. Went over how to edit a real-time report, went over how to run one instantly so you can update that data on the panel, and then finally went over on how to remove one or delete a real-time panel. Practice app, edit the properties of a real-time report, change it up, and then see how that reflected on the panel. Go ahead and run a real-time report instantly, just see how that updates. And if you ever have an unwanted real-time report, go ahead and remove it, or create a fake one and then remove it to see how that works. Additional information, here's the overall VRS2 wiki page, and then there's a page that talks about real-time reports and the basics of how they work. Thank you very much for your time, and hope you have a great day.